us live this morning from New York. Hey, good morning. Wake up.
Yes,
Wake up, wake up.
I can't hear anything.
Okay. This is your wake up call, Harry.
There's nothing.
Okay. Harry Belafonte joining us live this morning from New York. Hey, good morning, Harry. Harry, wake up. Harry?
Yeah? Yes.
Wake up, wake
I can't
up.
hear anything.
Okay. This is your wake up call, Harry.
There's nothing.
Okay. I'll tell you what.
Whoa.
We are going. He's meditating. He's taking a little nap. Taking a little nap.
See, the daylight hasn't
We might
come on.
wake. He's okay. He is okay. Dale.
Now, guys, the deep fake is real. Now, that was funny, but just imagine with the technology that they have, that they can do that real time. Now, if they wouldn't have messed up and put Harry in there, because if you listen closely with the Biden, you hear the Harry. But guys, let's get into the video. Welcome to the Cryptoteacher, and guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher NWO book, much love. Also, those who donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also those who are shopping at the store, blowing the store up, much love to you. Now, of course, guys, we want to get into Bitcoin, cryptos, XRP. Now, we see that we took a leg down. Those who actually listen to the videos that I do, we already know why. Why? Because we have gaps to fill, guys. I told you that from the start of this little uptake. So I told you we're going to have a dip before we start moving up. And why? Because they need Bitcoin on the 5th for collateral. So guys, do not forget the dates. Dates are so important. Remember, we have no utility in this space. 99% is just speculation. So with speculation comes gambling, and that's all this is. So that's the reason why you have to focus on the dates. Now we see XRP. XRP only moved maybe a penny. It didn't move, so we knew that we were coming right back down. XRP allows us to know, okay, we're going to be moving now. Basically, if it moved up to 33 cents, then we know that, okay, this is a real move and we're not moving back down. XRP just sat there. Well, all these DeFis and Bitcoin, all the other cryptos moving up, XRP stayed flat. So that let us know what? That we were headed right back down. XRP is that synthetic stablecoin that's going to run this whole system. And they've showed this month after month after month after month, and people don't want to listen. I keep telling you this. That's what it is. And I've been saying it from the beginning, and it's proven every single month. Now, guys, let's get into, just like I said, the gaps that we have. Now, we have gaps that we have to fill. Are we going to go all the way down to 9,900? No, because what have we done? We've made higher lows. But the fact is, that's the reason why we are taking this dip, and we'll take this dip until the 4th. And then on the 4th to the 5th, that's when we start moving up. It's like I stated, they need Bitcoin for collateral. Now, getting over into crypto news. And guys, make sure that we're focused on the actual indicators. What are the indicators? Volume. We saw volume go bananas. Volume went crazy. So we have volume, XRP, and of course the regular stable coins. That's let us know which way this market is headed. And don't forget about the OMG network. And I'm going to be talking about Tether right now as far as with the crypto news. Now we have Tether adding support for ZK rollups. So what is that, guys? They're going to be rolling up transactions, multiple transactions, and move them through to take all that pressure off of Ethereum. And also, guys, don't forget, I know I received a lot of questions as far as with Ethereum, fees. The fees are so high. What is the best trick to get around some of the fees? The only trick you can do is actually make your transactions if you're trying to get out when the network is not so busy. Now, we always have a settle down period where nothing moves. And that's the time to move your money if you're trying to get around the higher fees. Because when that network is slow, that's when you can move your money and sort of get around all those fees. So that's the only trick that I know of. Now, basically, we have Coinbase saying they're going to be launching tokens. Is this good news for us? This is great news for us, guys. Awesome news. Why? Because they're going to be doing the same thing as Binance, pumping and dumping. That's all we want, guys. That's what we want. We want volatility so we can make money. Plain and simple. Stop holding these coins. Y'all clearly see it. We don't want to hold all the coins. Of course, we want to hold some. But remember I told you, these cryptos are for the robots, AI, automation, all that's coming in. Yes, we want to hold our major ones. But majority of these, we want to trade. We want to pump it. When they're pumping and dumping, we want to be pumping and dumping too, to add to the bags that you want, or add to the stock market. Remember how that stock market channel coming out on the 18th. Now we have yield farming turning to USDC. So guys, we're going to see stable coins play a lot when it comes to this yield farming. And guys, don't forget, just like I say, the stable coins control the whole market. Don't forget that, and XRP is one of those stable coins. Now we have Bermuda. Basically, it's going to be launching a stimulus token. Guys, we know what? They actually caused the problem. Wait for the reaction and come in with the solution. And we know our stable coin for the universal basic income will come in March or April for the United States. We know all this free money dries up in March. We know what's about to happen, guys. So don't forget about that. And basically, they have the partnership with Stable House in order to launch that stimulus token. Now, we have Dutch ports to be using blockchain going through trade lands. And guys, what else will be attached to that eventually with the ports? That's right, VeChain, the supply chain. You have to have that. So guys, make sure you're tying the dots when you're talking about these different industries. We have Binance-backed WazirX, basically Indian exchange launching staking. We see Binance all over Asia, guys. Remember, guys, I keep repeating this. Don't forget about the Belt and Road, guys. Please go check it out. Look, watch my videos. Go do your own research. Now, basically, we have Kazakhstan on track for 700 million investment in mining. We are also, guys, in gaming. Remember, I tell you, gaming is going to be big. We have Rev holders can now stake. Don't forget, they have 2 games coming out, up and coming. We also have the Swiss crypto bank Signum gets approval for digital asset trading. So guys, what are they basically saying when they say that? They're opening up the casino. And we see this everywhere, guys. We see it everywhere. We see the same setup that we have as far as with the stock markets, in all countries. We're having these digital asset trading. The same thing, guys. It's nothing but opening up the casino. That's it. Now, getting over into world news, we have the Federal Reserve owning over 20,000 financial assets, guys. We know what? They want to be the last resort. They bought the world with Pinky the Brain, take over the world. That's exactly what the U.S. Federal Reserve did, and we know the New World Order is behind that to buy up everything, guys. Nothing they don't own. All some fake money. Fake money, guys. If I was to dig up all the old men that started back in 1913 and told them what happened, they'll just shake their head. But we had a lot of guys back then that said that we'll be at this point if we allow this to happen. So many of them. It's ridiculous. But while the masses sleep, they take over. Now, basically, we have the U.S. dollar, of course, declining. I think it was at 92 yesterday. And inflation hasn't even began. But remember, guys, it's going to be a short period that they do this. Because what are they doing? Causing the problem. They're going to wait for the reaction. And they're going to come in with the solution, universal basic income. Guys, we know the plan. We know what's about to happen. Cryptos come to the forefront. Make everything cheaper. The people are happy. But what did they just do? Give up all their privacy. Give up total control. Guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher NWO book. Cryptos, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, your stocks, Cobalt, chip stocks, gaming, banking, also at home stocks. Don't forget, everybody sitting at home, don't forget about those stocks. The C word, don't forget about the biotech stocks. They're still pumping and dumping. And then also, guys, while everybody's sitting at home waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks. They're about to blow up, especially the weed stocks. Y'all have a wonderful day.